Hi guys, Grace here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm once again joined by my beautiful sister Brianna, and today we're doing something new.
As you all the time now.
Yeah, she's a regular. If you're familiar with my channel and other videos, she's a frequent guest. Anyway, today we are doing a new, I can't really say it's a challenge, it's more of just a taste test.
Unboxing.
It's an unboxing of sorts. Shout out to my awesome friend Gina for sending me this box. So basically, in here we are gonna try some Japanese snacks. It's from the Ohaime-sama, I'm probably butchering that name. I think it's Ohaime-sama, snack selection from Amazon. And according to the website, they're all, I don't know if it's candy included, I don't know if it's sweet and savory, it could be a mixture of both. But all I know is that they're Japanese snacks, and I mean, we've never tried any as far as I'm aware. So there should be about 28 of them according to the ad on Amazon, and I will link that in the description below if you want to check out a box for yourself. So we're gonna, yes. So we are going to be placing each package, each item on a yuck plate if we don't think it's good, or obviously a tasty plate. If it is really yummy, we recommend it.
We'll see which side comes out. Hopefully the tasty side.
Yeah, right? So I guess without further ado, let's just get this thing started.
Paper. Hopefully that's not part of the snack tasting. I don't want to eat paper.
Yeah, that would be fun.
Take that whole bag out and then we'll just...
Okay, we got one.
Move the box out of the way.
Got a bunch.
Got a bag of snacks.
Is that one of those red
like
twisty ties?
Oh, what does it say on there?
Is it
it's
it's the
Ohaime-sama Japanese princess.
There we go. Let's take a look
nice
at that.
Label. Nice, lovely packaging.
Yeah.
Very cute.
Beautiful sticker. Nice catch. I didn't even notice that. I'm like trying to get this red thing off. All right. I'll grab the first item here.
Thank you note on top.
What?
Thank you note on top.
Oh, that's cool.
Wow. Thank you note in English and Japanese.
I appreciate stuff like this. You know, it's simple. It looks. I think it's handwritten. It's definitely handwritten. Yeah, I don't think it's font. Cool. All right, item number one. Okay, it looks automatically like a lifesaver, like a mint lifesaver. There's no English on the package, of course, so if you all know what that says, awesome. This is a total blind. I mean, if some of these packages have English on them, cool, but I'm not expecting that.
There's 3 in a package.
Yeah.
It's all.
Should we rip one off and
expires
taste it?
2020, so that's a good sign that it's not expired.
We didn't get
yet.
expired.
Here, okay, you take that one.
Okay, thank you.
And then I'll take the next one and let's try it at the same time.
Okay.
Trying to figure out how to open this.
I mean, seriously, a lifesaver. That looks.
What is mine? It smells kind of fruity almost.
I don't smell anything.
It's like thicker than a regular lifesaver. It has like a seam in the middle. I don't know if you can see that, but.
You ready?
Cheers, combine. Ooh, I like that.
Yeah, it reminds me of sweet tarts.
Yeah, it reminds me of like the Fun Dip stick. If you ever had Fun Dip in America, it tastes kind of like that. So it's more like fruity, like
Seriously, sweet tarts.
tangy almost, yeah.
Sweet tarts, totally sweet tarts without the food coloring. Yeah, I like it.
Oh, and it's really soft. You can bite right into it. I like that it's really soft. You can just. I'm gonna put that on the tasty side.
We're gonna, putting it on the tasty plate.
Now we have to finish it before we do another thing.
Mine's already melted. It kind of slightly melts. At least for me, it did.
Melts in your mouth.
Oh wait, you do the next one. Well, so far we're off to a solid start, guys.
Another refreshing before snack mint, I guess.
Yes.
Okay, I don't know if there's another one of these. Obviously, half of this I guess we will
Okay.
This looks like a Hello Kitty marshmallow. It might have chocolate in the middle. I'm not really sure. Oh yeah, it has chocolate on the back. So I think it's a chocolate stuffed Hello Kitty marshmallow. So this seems like a good time. Let's bite into this halvesies so Grace can try it as well. And I try to destroy it on the way in. Oh, it's like a little tiny pillow. Look how adorable it is.
It's
Aw. Okay.
Is it hard or squishy?
It's squishy. Oh, look at it. A teeny bit of chocolate in there.
Oh yeah, look at that cross section.
Cross section. Nice ball. Marshmallow rice ball. It's basically just like, it tastes like a regular marshmallow with like a little bit of chocolate pudding or something in it.
It tastes like pudding.
There's like a really little bit of pudding. It's good.
Yeah, I put that on tasty.
If we get all sweet stuff, I'll be happy, but I'm worried about the salty stuff.
Okay, this is a choco chip cookie coca. That's what it says on the package there.
Two for two so far.
2 for 2.
Did I rinse my mouth out of marshmallow?
And then we're gonna have to go. I can probably break this in half. No, not the best looking
Divide it in
cookie. It's
half.
a little.
Well, if it's a chocolate cookie, then it'd be just. Oh, okay.
Here.
It's crumbly.
It's very crumbly. I got a little bit here.
Here, here's the other half.
Oh, okay.
That's good.
Yeah. The presentation was a little
It's a little messy.
wonky. It's very crumbly, but
It's not one of those things you like open up and put directly in your mouth, so it doesn't get everywhere. But it doesn't taste like distinctly Japanese. It just tastes like a chocolate.
it tastes like a
cookie.
legit chocolate chip cookie.
No, it's fine. It's good.
But
No
wow,
complaints.
tasty.
3 for
Guys.
3.
Wow.
Good record going so far. There's tons of stuff in here.
Oh wait, you pick it out. You pick
Oh,
out the
right.
next
My
one.
turn. I'm excited. My turn. I'm gonna go deep here. I'm gonna find a salty thing. Okay, I think I know this one of those like salty cracker.
Is it a rice
things.
cracker maybe?
Yeah, some kind of rice cracker, I think. This looks like a giant salt pieces right there. Look at that.
They're huge.
Look at that 3-dimension right there. Okay. So I'm just gonna like take a bite and then pass it because
Okay.
I'm afraid of it getting everywhere.
It's gonna get. Oh, that sounds. You had to take two
That is very hard to be warned,
very thick, very thick.
but it's like a rice cake cracker, like a Quaker. If you've had that, kind of tastes like that, except for a little bit more like fishiness, like soy sauciness flavor to it.
It's a rice cracker, like
It's
totally.
not bad, but it is like very salty and very hard to bite into.
Very
I'm not really
salty.
sure if you're supposed to dip it in like something to make it softer, like a biscotti, but it's hard to eat just with your teeth.
And there's definitely that. Do you taste that sweetness? I'm like trying to. Is it like maple? It's not maple syrup. It's like
I don't know. It's really
there's a sweet. Do you not taste that sweetness? I'm like tasting a lot of sweetness.
Could be.
Like I'm getting a little salt, but
Are you
not.
putting it on the yuck or are you just putting it down?
Oh, I was just
I
putting
kind
it
of
down.
think it's in the middle. It's like not bad, but it's not like
It's like
tasty in my opinion.
yeah, it's not something I would like pick up at a Japanese store
Not like
and
you're going out of your way to like, oh,
Yeah.
this really sounds good. I want to eat like a really hard, salty cracker right now.
yeah, it was really hard to get through. Oh, this looks like a fun little gummy. It's something cider. It's
Green. I hope it's not seaweed flavored.
well, it has a soda pop little thing
Oh, okay.
on it,
That
so
should be safe then. It's like
can open
what's ombre. When it has
oh
three different
yeah,
colors.
yep. Like my hair.
Oh no, it might be sour though. It's Christmas.
Oh,
Is it
I can
sugary
handle
or
sour. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try.
Seriously, just bite it off. Just
Okay.
bite off a bite. That's what you do.
Oh god.
Is it tough too? You didn't want. Is it sour?
It's not really sour. It's like a fruity gummy.
Oh, that's nice. It's kind of like watermelony, citrusy. What is that?
Mine tastes orangish. Maybe a little lemon.
I'm getting like lemon lime. So
Yeah.
that must have been the. She got the top part of that
We got
flavor.
each different color.
I got the bottom flavor. I actually like that. It was
This is
good.
pretty solid. So we're gonna put this little lovely on the tasty, guys.
No
like,
yuck one so far.
No yuck. So
This is pretty successful.
I keep grabbing.
I'm
You go.
slobbering all over the place. Oh, there's a bigger package here.
Ooh,
Oh no. Milk and coffee.
coffee.
Taste. Looks like some sort of nut or
Oh, a
like,
little coffee bean cartoon character thingy.
now you may not know this, but I'm not a coffee person.
She doesn't like coffee.
So we'll see if this actually tastes like coffee. There's a picture of like it in a cereal bowl, you pour milk over it, so maybe it's like you could have it for cereal if you want in the morning. We're
That's
gonna find
interesting.
out.
Little,
Milk and coffee flavored something or other. I don't know. We're gonna see what this is. I don't want to spill it everywhere. Ugh. Okay, I'm just gonna put- it's shaped like those things from like Golden Puff cereal. It's got the like little
Oh, it does.
nut shape in the middle there.
I want you to try it
Little
first
bean
because
shape.
you are. I am a fan of coffee, so I
It
might.
doesn't smell like coffee, so that's a good sign.
Really, doesn't
It
smell like
really,
much of anything.
you know what? It really does taste like less sweet Golden Puff cereal. It's like the exact consistency like that corn pop cereal kind of.
It totally is.
Very light and fluffy.
This is false advertising right here. There is no coffee flavor.
Maybe you're supposed to eat it with your coffee. Maybe it's not coffee flavor.
That
Maybe it
could
just goes
be.
with coffee. You like pour your milk over it, and it's like also in a can, so I don't know.
Yeah, it's like you pour this in a bowl and
It doesn't taste
mug.
bad, but again, it's like not super tasty.
It's
Really
very
go in the middle for me.
pretty. I think it's
What
pretty
do you
bland.
think?
I think it's pretty bland, and I automatically, if you're gonna promote milk and coffee taste, there better be a coffee taste in there. I just
Definitely get more milkiness.
yes, it's in the middle.
It's just not a lot of flavor. It's kind of meh.
Yeah.
Your turn.
All right. Ooh, another bigger one. Is there any English on here? Fun little cartoon character. I literally don't
I've seen
even-
that guy before. I don't remember
Have
his
you?
name though.
Oh yeah, this is from a kid's cartoon, I think.
I can't remember his name though.
Cool fun
Comment
packaging. It's very
below if you know.
cylindrical. All right, let's. Uh-oh.
Interesting. It's like
it's-
some sort of bread. Is it hard?
No, very. It's very. For some reason, it's reminding me of styrofoam. Just
Uh-oh.
like the feel
Oh,
of
but it
it.
doesn't taste like what? It looks like it has herbs in there.
Ooh. The package doesn't smell super.
It smells like animal treats, kind of.
Like seriously. Okay.
Is it hollow in the middle?
Oh.
That's
Okay.
so weird.
I don't
You
like
could use
that.
For a drinking
I don't like
shot.
that at all. I don't think you're gonna like this.
I'm afraid to eat it now.
It's got the consistency of a Cheetos puff. It's very
It
airy.
reminds me of something. What does it smell like?
It's very airy. The herbs in it are gross. Tastes artificial.
Oh, that's weird.
It's really weird.
It does taste like a chip though, but I've never been a fan of like the puff, like the Cheetos puffs that are like super airy, like the crunchy ones. So this is basically what that consistency is, like the very airy, kind of like the milk and coffee things we just tasted, like that like almost dry, spongy texture.
I like the consistency. I don't
It's
like
like
the flavor.
sour, what's it like sour cream chip flavored?
You think sour cream and
What's that flavor? Popular sour cream flavor? What's it called?
sour cream and chive?
Sour cream and onion.
Sour cream and onion.
There. It's kind of just like that. But I don't like the texture of it.
See, I don't mind the texture because I like Cheeto Puffs
But you didn't like the
texture.
flavor?
I did not like the flavor at all.
Okay, I guess that'll be our first yuck then.
I mean,
She is dead set on that.
well, I mean, we can differ opinions, but like,
Okay, well, it's not tasty for me, but
Yeah.
it's not. Yeah, it's not.
well, there's our first yuck, ladies and gents. Oh, your turn to grab.
Oh, okay.
Well, we're still off to a good,
Seriously, could have been worse.
good
though.
versus bad.
Okay, we got some. Ooh, melon Pandoro cookies.
Ooh.
Or a cookie.
I love pandas and I love melons. You can't go wrong.
Okay, so it's probably like melon bread flavor.
Did you say melon bread?
Yeah.
Oh, is that a thing? No.
Yeah, melon bread's a type of Japanese bread. I watched a whole anime about it. Okay, I'm knowledgeable about bread. Oh no, I broke the panda. Broke
Aw.
the panda's face.
Is it broken?
It might have been broken in shipping. We'll just pretend that that's the reason. Here, you can have the broken
Okay.
pieces.
Let's smell
Does it smell like melons?
it. Oh, it does. You know, it actually reminds me of. Reminds me of Jolly Rancher. Like,
Oh, that's weird. It smells like.
ooh,
No, it smells
I like that. I'm literally getting Jolly Rancher in a cracker.
That is what it smells like. Jolly Rancher.
Jolly Rancher in a
like green
cracker.
apple.
Mm-hmm. This is good.
But it doesn't taste like it to me. It just tastes like a shortbread cookie. I don't like that.
The consistency is good of the cracker. Is it? It's not a cookie, is it? It's like a
It
cracker.
says a cookie. It says a butter cookie. So I think that's accurate. If you've had those like Danish cookies at Christmas time, it kind of has that like flavor to it.
Super good.
I thought it was yummy. All right, your turn. Let's keep it going.
Oh,
Already at
that's
15
another-
minutes.
Here I'm doing.
Might have to split this into 2 videos. Part 1 and part 2.
Um,
No idea.
did Yeah, I'm trying to find any English on
Has a
it.
monkey.
Don't know what's in this, but it's cool packaging if nothing else.
It's probably one of those individual cell things. You don't know
Let's
what
see. Oh, what we got here?
Another like puffy.
Looks like
cracker
it's
snack.
almost like croutons. Like little mini croutons. Here.
Okay. Okay. Smell test. Smells salty.
It's very faint salt. That's different.
That's what I'm
You know what it reminds me of? Bugles. Bugles without the intense salt.
Yeah.
It's like a
Very,
more.
very little flavor. It's
It's-
just a hint of salt at the end.
It literally reminds me of Bugles with way less salt.
Maybe some sesame. I'm trying to detect some
sesame.
sesame oil taste.
I wish
I
there was
like
some
the
English on here.
crunch. It's less airy than the one weird yuck cylinder that we got over here. But it's still not very flavorful. Kind of go in the meh. And I do like the texture of it. It's got like the crunch to it.
We'll put that in the middle. I wouldn't say it was like
Yeah.
horrible, and I wouldn't say it was
like
great.
We like all the sweets. Basically, that's what's happening right now.
And this will be our last one. We're gonna split this into a part 2 because we're just enjoying this so much. So we're gonna make this.
It's taking longer than we thought to get through all these.
Mhm.
So this is like a mushroom cap shaped
Oh, it
like
totally is.
cracker. I guess you could say it's like concave, like a lens. Kind of probably gonna go super hard, so let me just prepare myself.
Prepare.
Okay. It was easier.
I smell soy sauce. I
bite
smell
into.
soy sauce.
But it basically tastes the same as that to me. Like it's not as hard as this one.
That was sweeter. The earlier rice cracker one was sweeter. This is
was
soy
more-
sauce.
This was more flavor, but less
I like it.
strong salt flavor.
I like it though. I think it's different than that first one, mainly
You
because
like it? I'm still kind of like meh. It's not a lot of flavor to me, so
Okay, we'll put it in the middle.
okay.
All right, guys. Well, we're gonna follow this unboxing and unwrapping of the Japanese snack box.
Stay tuned for part 2.
Yeah, stay tuned for part 2.
Bye.
Hi guys, welcome back. This is part number deuce of our Japanese snack box unboxing, unpackaging thing.
Lots more goodies to try.
I will definitely link the in the description of our part 1. So we're just continuing on from there. All right. So far in the last video, as a recap, all but one were
A lot
pretty
of
much
tasty things.
solid. So
and a lot of like meh things that were just okay.
yeah. So off the bat, we already have something very familiar for
Oh, another
American iconic characters, Winnie the
Another
Pooh
one
and
of those
Eeyore.
marshmallow things.
Yeah. It's Disney, but
I wonder if
it's
that also has chocolate in it though.
yeah, it doesn't say. There's just the proud Disney logo.
Guess we'll find out.
It's definitely
Yeah, mystery
definitely a
marshmallow
marshmallow.
inside. It's different
Okay, we'll
price.
bite in half. It's got something pink on the
Oh,
inside.
it's like strawberry. I hope it's not bubblegum though.
It's like strawberry. The last one was chocolate. This one's strawberry.
I like that.
Mm-hmm.
That's good. All marshmallows should be strawberry flavored.
It's like a new version of a s'more without the
It's like a
cracker.
strawberry milkshake.
Mm-hmm. It's really good. I like that.
Where'd you put the wrapper?
Right here.
In the tasty pile?
Tasty pile plus
Oh, yeah, it has a
one.
little strawberry on it. Cute.
Oh, I didn't even see that. I thought it was part of the design. Okay, you pick next.
Alright. Uh-oh. This feels like
There-
another one of the
Oh,
ones
no.
you don't like.
Okay, so in the last video, we opened this guy, and I did not
Pretty
like this
sure.
guy. It was like a, oh. And this is like the
Oh, this
similar.
might be different flavor though.
Like let's hold them up together. Like here's the new one, so they're both orange.
They're slightly different like packages, and there's like different spices on it, so it might
Oh.
be different flavor.
Hopefully
So
this
you
one's
still have to
better.
try this.
I will still try. I will still try.
Whoa,
Okay, maybe you won't like this one.
that's a
Soy
lot
sauce.
happening right there.
That smells like soy sauce right off the bat.
I don't like that one. Mm-mm. That's yucky.
Oh.
There's like so much flavoring on the outside.
It literally grabs your tongue and doesn't let go.
It's just like my whole entire mouth is coated now with this weird soy sauce,
Okay,
seasoning
so
flavoring.
this one and its brother are now going
But
in
you
the
have to
yuck.
admit that one was less bad
Yes.
than that one.
Oh my gosh, gross.
Water break.
Water break.
Cleanse the palate.
Oh, I like the smell did not like. I was actually looking forward to it after the smell. I'm like, oh, it might be just soy saucy. And then the minute I took a bite, I'm like, no.
It was just
That was
coated
gross.
so thoroughly. I don't know.
Okay.
Want some good time?
Oh, that was my turn.
Yes.
Yes. All right. So this looks like a banana flavored something.
That's weird.
Fun little packaging, a little banana. Yeah, something banana with something in the middle.
Little campers.
Fun. Half of this is interpreting. Yeah, it's definitely something
Like
banana.
we guess, and then we see if we're anywhere close.
Oh my gosh, I've got salt on my hands. Maybe I should grab a napkin. Oh wait, got it. Got it. Oh.
Whoa, it is bright yellow like
Okay.
a banana. Is it like chocolate on the
It's squishy like a marshmallow, but it's got like a coating on it.
candy coating? Interesting.
But it's definitely banana. Smell that.
Oh yeah, it smells like a Runts. Runts banana.
Oh yeah, it does. Okay.
Look at that.
There we
Pull
go.
and peel.
Pull and peel. It's a banana flavored covered marshmallow,
Banana
essentially.
covered marshmallow, yeah.
Not
Artificial
bad.
banana, I should say. Let's preface that.
I don't not like it though.
Like a squishy marshmallow Runt. Kind of like it.
The flavor of the banana is very much similar to the banana flavored Laffy Taffy.
It's different, but I like it.
Really? You think?
Okay,
Do you think
so,
it tastes different?
tasty enough?
Yeah.
Enough for
Would
the
say.
tasty pile? We're getting quite a collection here.
Mm-hmm.
All of our tasty goodness.
Here you go.
Go. Okay, this already looks familiar. I think we have a version of Taffy type biscuit treat. It looks like it might be some sort of pork or ramen flavor.
Which might be
That kind of sounds
tasty.
amazing.
It either could be tasty or it could be awful.
Smell check.
I feel like artificial.
It doesn't really have a smell.
Oh, okay. That could be good or bad.
It is not Pocky brand because it comes in totally different packaging. But let's try this. Stick. Choose your weapon.
Cheers.
That's a plain biscuit.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not getting much
Oh.
flavor.
Aftertaste is nasty. Mm-mm.
It kind of reminds me of like Gardettos.
Really?
Yeah, like the flavor and like the biscuitiness. It's not. I don't think it's that bad.
Maybe they eat this with like their ramen and like noodle bowls and such because I
Yeah,
think if I
it
dip
seems
this
kinda
in some
boring by
broth,
itself.
by itself it doesn't shine, but I think mix it with some like broth and
Or
noodles.
some dip, like we have some
Like this is their skinny version of a
people
breadstick.
that like wasabi or something. I don't know.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's not. I'd say I'll put that in the middle. Like it's not like yum and it's not like yuck. It's like,
Well, I thought you didn't like the aftertaste.
well, the aftertaste. But I would like. I think
It's
if
not as
it-
bad as that guy.
Yes, nothing is as bad as the.
Are you gonna finish
cheap-
it?
I don't know. Okay.
What's next in our bag of tricks?
Ooh, we got something grape.
That might be hard to share.
Yes. Well,
It's a hard candy. That's okay.
we'll play by ear if I can. If I can open it.
Very nice. Oh, it's soft, maybe.
It looks like a taffy
Little
off the
grape
get-go.
taffy thing.
Should I bite this in half or?
Probably be easier.
Just grape taffy, essentially.
Where's it gum?
Oh,
It's gonna go where? We're gonna have to sit here for a minute while inside of it goes away or not.
I think it's taffy. It doesn't have the consistency of gum. Yeah, I already swallowed it, so hopefully it doesn't stay in my gut for
Hopefully it's
7
not
years.
gum.
Yeah, I don't think it's gum. I mean, so do you like it?
Yeah,
It's not bad.
nice grape flavor. Oh no.
Oh, not another one!
Of course we would have the most of the thing we don't like. It's another cylindrical puffed cracker thing.
Oh, man.
But it's in a purple one. So we'll see. Oh no, it's orange.
Oh, that means it's gonna be hot.
Spicy
Sriracha.
or
Or sriracha, is that like an American
I'm super
brand?
afraid of these now. I don't
Or
want
is
to try
that
for the
from
last one. Look how much
Japan?
coating is in there.
Oh, this is gonna be rough, guys. I already know. What does it smell like?
I don't know, like cumin?
Here, let me smell.
See this color? It looks like death. I'm afraid.
If it's spicy, let me know because I can't handle spice.
I'm taking a really little bite of it. Okay, it's too spicy so far. It's kind of like a nacho cheese flavor. It's better than the last one.
You know, I actually like this.
Oh, high praise indeed. We found one we don't detest.
So where should we put it? I was prepared to put it on the yuck plate, but
It's meh for me. Like, it's still got enough kick to it that I don't.
I like it. So we'll have to remember that the purple one
is
versus
safe.
the orange ones, the Orange
It's
Brothers.
not as bad.
Yeah.
I actually might like the first one better than the nacho cheese one.
Okay.
We're calling this sour cream and onion, nacho cheese, and other. For the
Why?
three flavors we tried so
Why?
far.
There's
Oh,
a few of these.
It's a whole family. But now we have an opinion on like all
All
of
of
the
them.
flavors.
And this one, oh, I didn't even see this one. I was holding it up. It makes me look like it's like curry because it's like white on
Oh,
below.
yeah.
So I wonder if the stuff on top is
flavored.
curry flavored. But there's a chicken on it, so maybe.
Chicken
I don't know
curry.
what.
That's pretty common, I think.
Oh no, it's a similar shade as the two icky
Other.
ones. Okay. Oh, it smells like top ramen seasoning.
Okay, that should be safe.
Hopefully.
Take a little bite just in case. Tastes like top ramen. Crunchy
Tastes
top
like
ramen.
tastes like top ramen seasoning on. Not bad. Very salty. Very
I'm
salty.
definitely getting like the curry aesthetic though.
But it's not bad. I think that one's actually my second favorite.
I would probably agree.
Okay.
There's still like too much powder coating on the outside. Like
It's-
it's just all over my lips, my fingers, my mouth,
So if
everywhere.
you give it a drink, here, let's put this back in
Where
here.
do you want this? Meh or do you
Yeah,
like
I
the
wouldn't put it
tastiness?
under tasty. It was like meh. Even though I do like it compared to the 4 that we've tried so far.
There's just a lot of those.
Okay, your turn.
Okay, I'm gonna reach past because I think there's a couple more of those
Like,
actually
literally.
in there. And we need a break. So, okay, this looks like some sort of seaweed cracker.
Oh, no.
Salmon cracker something.
If it's seaweed, I don't know if I want to try it. Ugh, I don't like seaweed.
It's okay, little bites are allowed. Okay. It doesn't actually color of seaweed, but it has like the,
Wow, it's
Flatness.
super thin.
it's just like sticky on the outside. It's really weird. Weird. And it's like bendy. I
Wow.
don't really know what this is made out of. It's kind of weird in here.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Wow. I can't even bite it. I don't know how to eat this. Apparently I just tear off a piece.
That doesn't make me feel too happy.
How do I eat this? It's like sticky flavored cardboard. I don't understand.
Oh.
What do I do with it?
Oh, it smells so fishy.
Yeah, it tastes like fish too, and that's the other thing. Isn't it weird? What even is it? Is it maybe? I bet it's like dried salmon. I bet it's like a really thin piece of dried salmon
You
or
know,
something
yeah,
with
because
like
it's
flavor on
it's
it.
so fishy. Oh.
I don't
Well,
like that.
I like salmon if that's what this is, but
Ugh.
this is just like.
No,
I mean,
I'm just getting the
It's
more I
not
show, the more
appetizing.
fish flavor I'm getting, and I'm not okay
Yuck.
with it.
yuck.
That was a no. That was the first like definitive
Definitive.
no
like,
immediately.
ugh. Like a 0 on a 1 to 10.
Ugh. No. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna try. I'm feeling some of those similar cylindrical ones, so I'm gonna keep trying for. Oh, ooh, this is fun. Look at that cute
Look at
packaging.
Oyster crackers almost.
Yeah. Once again, it doesn't give any little hints as to what it might be, but that's what we're here for. So,
Cracker things are usually safe.
yeah. Okay.
Grab
a
I might
couple.
wash my hands after this
Mhm.
because I'm messy. Filled with little biscuits.
It's got a hint of vanilla, but it does not have a good taste. It tastes fake.
These are really crunchy. And also they like,
They got a melty affinity to them.
you bite into them and it tastes, and it feels like a cracker, but then it like melts.
Yeah. I don't not like it. It's just weird.
I don't know how to describe it.
It's not terrible. I mean, but it just
It's like a sugar cube and a cracker married and had these. I don't really know.
I would put it as a meh.
It's meh.
I'm not impressed. It's here, let's-
It's so weird what it does to my mouth. I don't know what's
Okay.
happening.
because I can feel there's several of them left. There's more
gotta
of
get
these
through them.
cylindrical baddies.
We're gonna have a rating scale just on these crackers
So
alone.
the fact that there's a lobster on this package makes me nervous. And I
you
like
like
seafood.
seafood. Oh, it's orange again. Wow.
Yeah, it smells fishy off.
Ugh. I'm getting the shivers. Oh.
Oh, oh,
That doesn't bode well.
oh! No, no, no!
Yuck!
Oh,
Why do people like this?
oh!
That's gross.
I can't.
Drink your water. That was not a good experience.
That was-
for anyone.
That was awful. Okay, you choose. I chose a bad one.
Alright.
Bad
We're
grapes.
gonna
Bad.
find a non-cylindrical one now. Oh, this is a big one. What's this?
Ooh.
Okay. Corn. And there's little cylindrical, but mini cylindricals. So like popcorn sized hollow cylinders, corn chip things. Let us see.
Oh, it's like a
Big one?
Yeah. Cheers.
Oh, cheers. Didn't have much smell.
Okay, Cheetos.
It's very soft, foamy again, like
It's
we've had before.
like Cheetos puffs, like almost exactly less crunchy.
But it's not cheese flavor. It's like just like a nice salty.
Oh,
like
I
plain.
taste some cheesiness, or maybe it's just the
I'm not
salt.
getting that at all. I'm just getting salty.
But if I could associate it with anything, Cheetos puffs or. But it's got a.
When you bite into it, it like sticks to your teeth. I
It's
don't
a
like
more.
that.
It's a way more airy consistency than I think even Cheetos puffs has.
I definitely like it better. Probably this is my favorite like airy thing we've got. My favorite like cracker thing. What do you think? In there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, moving right along. The first thing I saw when I saw this logo, I just thought of the old Pepsi. You
It
know.
looks like a matchbox.
Oh yeah, it does, doesn't it? And it's wrapped in plastic, so.
Good luck.
Oh, geez. And I have nails. This should be easy. Here, you know what? Why don't you grab something else and I will work on getting this open.
Okay. Let me entertain you.
Oh.
Okay, this has a bowl of ramen on it. That's, oh, there's like little, it's like, it looks like little dried ramen noodles in there. That's weird.
Mm.
Some sort of cracker that goes on your ramen or with your
Oh my
ramen or what? I don't know. I feel like most of these snacks probably have a specific purpose and we just don't know what they are. They're probably not all just reading by themselves. I kind of wish there was an English instruction
Finally.
manual that came with it to tell you like what people normally eat with it.
Okay, I finally got mine open.
Okay, I'll just wait to taste this one until you.
Okay. There's 4 little candy thingies in the box. And I'll grab one. Oh. Is it gum?
What is it?
Is it a jelly bean? I don't know. It reminds me of a jelly bean.
Oh, it's soft.
Mm-hmm. I don't know about the flavor.
It's soda flavored.
Is it soda?
It's cola.
It tastes weird.
It's like a cola jelly bean. Let me explain
not
the
bad.
colors.
Yeah.
It's like a Pepsi Cola jelly bean. That's so weird.
Interesting. I did not get cola taste. I don't know what taste I tasted. It just definitely didn't taste cola-y to me.
But
I
it
wouldn't.
does seem like it's gum though.
Oh, I wouldn't say that.
Because mine's not going away like a taffy.
Mine kind of melted.
You just swallowed it.
I would give it a meh. Like in the middle. It's not yuck. It's not great. Yeah.
I definitely think it's gum. But
Well.
either way, it tastes good. It tastes like Pepsi. So I don't have a complaint about that.
So
I'm gonna
those.
try some like ramen noodle things.
Yeah, it's just broken.
Again, not much smell. A lot of these don't have smells. Huh. It's like eating raw top ramen.
essentially.
I like the crunch.
Mm-hmm.
These could be a good snack.
It's got a good flavor. Not a weird flavor, not a...
Yeah, it's pretty mild, but I like, it's got a really good, like, mouth feel to it.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Okay, moving right along. We got, let's
tasties.
go ahead and take out, just so we know how many more we're dealing with. Okay. We have 5 left, and unfortunately 3 of them.
Let's just do them all at once.
Okay.
We'll save the other 2 for last.
Okay, let's just get rid of these guys.
I
Okay.
can't believe how many of those there were.
It looks, were these 2 the same?
Of course, it would be like the
They look-
last.
oh, no, they're
you know,
different.
Slightly different.
But seriously, and then,
Okay, you
okay.
open those. I'm opening the corn
Let's just,
potato.
ooh,
whatever.
this smells like a white cheddar.
This kind of looks like the first one we got with the sour cream and onion.
This actually smells okay versus the last one. Okay.
Oh, what is that? This smells very strongly of corn. Is there
Whoa.
such thing as a corn flavored potato? Because that's what this is.
Whoa, this one is sweet. I'm kind of I don't know what to think. I don't know. It's like, does it want to be savory or does it want to be
It's corn on
sweet?
the cob and a biscuit. I don't understand. It's so weird. It is like corn on the cob. I don't like it though. But
Here.
if you like corn on the cob, maybe.
That's okay. Prepare,
might like that one.
prepare for sweet. Like it's sweet and savory at the. Oh.
Oh, weird. That's like a
Whoa.
Quaker rice cake, like the caramel one. I kind of like this. That's actually my new favorite.
Oh really?
Sweetness goes a long way with me. So,
This does taste like corn.
isn't that weird?
That's so weird.
Okay, I'm gonna open the last one.
Okay, go for it.
Okay, this is another orange one. It has flowers on it. I don't know what that means. Hopefully we're not eating flowers.
Hopefully.
It smells cheesy, like a Cheeto or something. But
It smells
not.
fake.
Um,
Well, I mean, like.
there we go.
Okay.
Enjoy that teeth sucking feeling again. Just tastes like a cheesy cracker thing.
It's not bad. It's definitely, I think,
It's
bar
similar-
none.
It's similar to the purple one that's like nacho, but it's like less spice. It's like
Of
more of a
all-
laid back cheese one.
Of all the cylinder ones, I'd say the lobster one. Where is that lobster one?
That's that one, I think.
This one was the worst. I remember the red packaging. The lobster one was the nastiest.
Which one was your favorite of the cylinders? The sweet one, the corn one,
not the,
spicy cheese, the
I would say for me
I don't know
it
what
was
this one was.
either this purple cheesy one or this one was not bad. This white one we just had that I said was kind of slightly sweet.
yeah.
Yeah,
This one was definitely my favorite.
it was definitely.
Got some sugar sparkles on it.
But most of those were definitely not.
This also doesn't have a hole in it
super
though.
great.
All the other ones had holes. Like they're
Okay, 2 more guys, and then this thing is finished. Okay,
now that
so
we've had our giant snack.
so
Okay.
it looks like this is
Another
just like
taffy.
another taffy, but the last one was grape. This one looks to be apple. And it's hard to open these after salt is on my fingers.
Also, we made a huge mess on the table, so there's just salt and seasoning everywhere. Yeah,
Yep.
my tea.
Apple taffy. It's good.
Call it like you see it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll start. The last one is like a
Last one.
little meat sausage link thing. Meat stick. Oh, there's a little tart. That green apple.
Of course, I like tart. I don't think it was that bad. Does it feel like a good, like, is it hard?
It feels like your, 7-Eleven meat steak from the convenience store. It doesn't seem anything
special.
different or special. Try and get rid of my taffy. You don't do taffy. You take
Yes.
the first bite if you want.
Okay.
I'm slobbering everywhere again. Tastes like a meat stick.
Pretty much.
Pretty generic. Can't ruin a meat stick. Alright,
Well,
that's the last one.
did we have 28 items?
We definitely
Probably-
had a lot. It seemed like a
Seriously.
lot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28,
Yeah,
29, 28, 29. Either I miscounted. Wow. I will say, guys, I was pleasantly surprised by the majority. Like, I did not, coming into this, I didn't know what to expect.
We know to avoid these for the most part.
But
everything
hey,
else was,
if you try them and you like them, leave a comment below because
we'll mail the rest to you.
seriously. Anyway, guys, thanks for checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more content. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Bye.